South winds 5 to 15 miles an hour in the evening.
Okay, we have 2 tornado warnings down in Arkansas. One for Woodruff County. Okay, this one goes until what time? 2:45 Central. I was looking on their Twitter. It says tornado was sighted up there on the ground via sheriff's office. I don't know if Little Rock hasn't heard of that, but I'm just saying it says Woodruff County Sheriff's reporting a tornado sighted on the ground. As of 10 minutes ago, that was on Highway 17 and 306. And our second one is in also Woodruff.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Monroe County and eastern Arkansas, eastern Prairie County and central Arkansas, south central White
They're probably on the air because I think White County is theirs.
County and eastern Arkansas until 2:30 p.m. At 1:40.
That one's about to expire.
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds.
And what was that tornado watch for? They issued that 10 minutes ago. Okay, for the first time in 3 days it says watch possible for me. So I'll have the weather radio on standby. 40%. Might go until like later on this evening. They're warning Charleston, Columbia, Jacksonville, all the and wow, it looks like a big line of storms right there.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado
warning there goes.
For Woodruff County in eastern Arkansas, southeastern White County in central Arkansas, northeastern Prairie County in central Arkansas until 2:30 p.m.
2 more minutes on that one.
7 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado.
They're on the air.
The storm was located 5 miles west of Ozark. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Ozark, Hunter, Patterson, Georgetown, Wyville, Bent Hill, McClellan.
Let's see if it says the second one.
Jasmine, Howell, Hillman, Gregory, Grace, Dixie, Cotton Plant, Childress, Beckton. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for central Lincoln County in southeast Arkansas, eastern Grant County in central Arkansas, Jefferson County in southeast Arkansas, northeastern